Thanks for watching Christmas on Crestline. Charlie coming back at you again. Want to give you guys a quick update on where we're at with the mural for this year. As you may know from some previous videos, we are doing a mural photo prop project. And the best way I can describe that is if you go to an amusement park, sometimes they have them at zoos, and Disneyland, Worlds of Fun, Holiday World, Six Flags, they all kind of have them. But what it is, it's a mural. Sometimes it's vertical, sometimes it's horizontal. They have the heads cut out. Kids, parents stick their heads through the openings, and you take a picture of that. You get home, run to Walgreens, have it developed, throw it in your photo album. And it's something you guys can look at with fondness for years to come, or at least we did when I was growing up. So I wanted to do that for our show here, and what we decided upon was this bad boy right here. This is where we're at so far. The artist tells me she's about 65% complete. Back up here a little bit for you guys. So she tells me she's about 65% complete with that, and she thinks she's still another probably 2 weeks away from being completion. So far she has over 120 hours in this painting. I believe that's an accurate number, maybe a little bit less. I know she said she was over 100, and that was about a week ago. So ideally, what we're going to do here in theory, and hopefully it works out, is, and the reason why I had her just draw the faces in prior to painting them is I wanted to kind of roughly see what they were like. And I want to, again, in theory, I want to be able to have her go ahead and paint the faces, then cut them out and hinge them. And my logic behind that is oftentimes we have a three-face mural here, and oftentimes you may only have two people there. And I always thought it looked silly in other murals where there's two people sticking in, but there's a third hole there. I thought it was kind of silly. So what my plan is to be able to put these on a hinge system. So if there's only two people there, you can then close one of the doors, so then there's only, it only looks like it's made for two people. It may not work out. We may have to go with the traditional, just putting the holes in there like all the other amusement parks and places do. But anyway, I want to give you guys an update on where we're at with that right now. And if you guys have any questions, leave some comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.